Ladies and gentlemen, the new John Deere 9RX 640. This tractor redefines power and efficiency for modern agriculture.
Imagine standing at the edge of a vast field just before sunrise, the air heavy with anticipation, and suddenly the ground begins to vibrate as a massive silhouette moves toward the horizon. This is not just a tractor, this is the John Deere 9RX 640, a machine built to redefine what power, intelligence, and endurance mean in modern agriculture. And today on Auto Trend Russia, we are diving deep into the story of a tractor that doesn't simply work the land, but commands it with authority, precision, and unmatched confidence, setting a new benchmark for what farmers around the world expect from heavy-duty agricultural machinery. The first encounter with the John Deere 9RX 640 leaves an unforgettable impression because everything about it speaks the language of strength and purpose, from its imposing stance to its four massive track assemblies that spread its weight evenly across the soil, allowing it to move with surprising grace despite its enormous size. And this design alone reveals a deep understanding of the challenges farmers face when working on large-scale operations where soil compaction, traction loss, and efficiency can make or break an entire season. At the heart of the John Deere 9RX 640 lies the legendary Cummins X15 engine, a 15-liter powerhouse capable of delivering up to 640 horsepower. And this is not just peak power for marketing brochures, but real, usable strength that comes alive when the tractor is pulling the heaviest implements through the toughest ground, maintaining steady performance without hesitation, while delivering immense torque that ensures consistent traction and minimal power loss even under extreme loads. What truly separates the John Deere 9RX 640 from conventional tractors is its 4-track system, a feature engineered specifically for maximum productivity in demanding conditions, because each track operates independently to maintain optimal contact with the ground, dramatically reducing slippage and soil disturbance while improving flotation, making it possible to work in conditions that would stop wheeled tractors in their tracks, especially during wet seasons or on loose, uneven terrain. This tractor is not just about brute force, because modern farming requires intelligence as much as strength, and the John Deere 9RX 640 delivers both in perfect harmony through its advanced digital ecosystem, where precision agriculture technologies work silently in the background, helping operators make smarter decisions, reduce waste, and maximize yields with every pass across the field. Step inside the cab of the John Deere 9RX 640 and the experience changes completely, because instead of feeling like you're inside a rugged work machine, you feel as if you've entered a high-tech command center designed for long hours of focused operation, where comfort, visibility, and control come together to support productivity at the highest level, even during the most demanding days of the farming season. The spacious cab is engineered with ergonomics in mind, featuring a premium suspension seat that absorbs vibrations from rough terrain, while the climate control system maintains a comfortable environment regardless of external conditions, allowing the operator to stay alert and comfortable from early morning until late at night, when every minute of daylight counts. Dominating the cab is the command center display, an intuitive touchscreen interface that gives the operator full control over the tractor's functions, from engine performance and transmission settings to guidance systems and implement management, transforming complex operations into simple, efficient workflows that reduce fatigue and increase accuracy across large fields. Visibility from the cab is exceptional thanks to expansive glass panels that provide a clear view of both the field ahead and the implements behind, ensuring precise maneuvering even with the widest equipment, while strategically placed mirrors and optional camera systems enhance awareness and safety during operation. The John Deere 9RX 640 is built to work seamlessly with John Deere's precision agriculture technologies, including AutoTrack guidance, Starfire receivers, and JD-Link connectivity, which together create a fully integrated system that enables centimeter-level accuracy, reduces overlaps, and optimizes field coverage, saving time, fuel, and inputs while improving overall efficiency. With AutoTrack engaged, the tractor follows perfectly straight lines across the field, allowing the operator to focus on monitoring performance rather than steering, which not only reduces fatigue but also ensures consistent results across every hectare, regardless of field size or shape. JD-Link connectivity takes productivity even further by allowing real-time monitoring of machine performance, fuel consumption, and operational data, giving farm managers valuable insights into how the tractor is being used and helping them make informed decisions that improve efficiency and reduce downtime. Power from the Cummins X15 engine is transferred through the advanced E18 power shift transmission, a system designed to handle extreme torque while delivering smooth, responsive gear changes, ensuring that the tractor operates at optimal efficiency across a wide range of speeds and workloads, whether it's pulling deep tillage equipment or powering large air seeders. The intelligent transmission control automatically selects the best gear for the current load and conditions, maximizing productivity while minimizing fuel consumption, which is especially important in large-scale operations where even small efficiency gains can translate into significant cost savings over time. Durability is a defining characteristic of the John Deere 9RX 640, because it is built to endure long hours of heavy work in some of the harshest agricultural environments, with a reinforced frame, heavy-duty components, and an advanced cooling system designed to maintain optimal operating temperatures even under sustained high loads. The cooling system itself is engineered with efficiency in mind, using variable speed fans and intelligent airflow management to reduce power loss while keeping critical components within safe temperature ranges, ensuring consistent performance even during the hottest days of the season. Maintenance is made simpler through thoughtful design choices such as easy access service points, extended service intervals, and onboard diagnostics that alert operators to potential issues before they become serious problems, reducing downtime and keeping the tractor working when it's needed most. In real-world field operations, the John Deere 9RX 640 proves its value by delivering consistent, reliable performance across a wide range of tasks, from deep ripping and primary tillage to high-speed seeding and heavy pulling applications, adapting effortlessly to changing conditions and requirements without compromising efficiency. Its ability to maintain traction and stability under heavy loads allows operators to use wider and heavier implements, covering more ground in less time, which is a critical advantage for large farms and agribusinesses facing tight planting and harvesting windows. Despite its massive size and power, the John Deere 9RX 640 demonstrates impressive fuel efficiency thanks to advanced engine management systems that optimize fuel delivery based on real-time load conditions, helping reduce operating costs while maintaining exceptional performance. Environmental considerations are also part of the design, with emissions control technologies that meet stringent regulatory standards while preserving engine power and efficiency, reflecting John Deere's commitment to sustainable farming practices without compromising productivity. The versatility of the John Deere 9RX 640 is another key reason why it is highly valued by farmers worldwide, as it is compatible with a wide range of implements and configurations, allowing it to be customized to meet the specific needs of different operations and cropping systems. Whether working in vast North American plains, European farmlands, or large agricultural regions across the globe, this tractor adapts to diverse conditions and challenges, proving that its design philosophy is truly global in scope. Operators who spend long hours in the field appreciate the intuitive controls and thoughtful layout of the cab, where every switch and function is placed within easy reach, reducing distractions and allowing the operator to focus on the task at hand with confidence and precision. Safety is integrated into every aspect of the John Deere 9RX 640, with advanced lighting systems that provide excellent visibility during night operations, robust braking systems that ensure controlled stopping power, and intelligent monitoring systems that help prevent operator error and equipment damage. From an economic perspective, the John Deere 9RX 640 represents a strategic investment for large-scale farming operations, offering long-term value through reduced labor requirements, increased productivity, and lower per hectare operating costs, making it a powerful tool for improving overall farm profitability. This tractor is not just a machine, but a reflection of decades of engineering expertise and innovation, combining mechanical strength with digital intelligence to meet the evolving demands of modern agriculture, where efficiency, sustainability, and precision are more important than ever before. On Auto Trend Russia, we believe that machines like the John Deere 9RX 640 tell a much bigger story about the future of farming, where technology and tradition come together to create solutions that empower farmers to feed a growing world while protecting the land they depend on. As the agricultural industry continues to evolve, tractors like the John Deere 9RX 640 will play a central role in shaping how food is produced, demonstrating that with the right combination of power, intelligence, and reliability, even the toughest challenges can be overcome. When the sun sets over the field and the John Deere 9RX 640 completes another day of hard work, it leaves behind more than just perfectly prepared soil. It leaves a sense of confidence, knowing that with the right machine, farmers are equipped to face whatever challenges the next season may bring. This is why the John Deere 9RX 640 is more than just a tractor. It is a symbol of progress, resilience, and innovation, standing at the forefront of modern agriculture and proving that the future of farming is already here, powerful, precise, and unstoppable, and this powerful journey continues right here with you on Auto Trend Russia.